Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well in your lives. So welcome to another day, another video of 30 days of September and birthday edition. And today I have something very interesting for you people. So today I am going to talk about my skincare product empties and I am having everything right here. So I'm going to discuss with you which all product you should get for yourself and what products you can just give a pass. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first product which I finished using is this one. This is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Face and Body Scrub. Now I did not order this one, my husband ordered this one, so that's why I thought of using it. And to my surprise, the beads in this particular product are so gritty. They are so gritty. If you can see here, it is so gritty. So you can't use this on your face, otherwise your face, it will just stretch from here and there. So I won't advise you using this on your face. What I do is I use this on my body and also on my lips, so my lips become soft and supple and does not become flaky. So I just use this one on that purpose. So if you are looking for a scrub for your face, please don't go and buy this one. Okay, the next one is this one. This is the Plum Wild Cherries and Kiwi body wash. So this was a body wash which was fully vegan. I got this near about 350 rupees and it was 300 ml of product. Now it was nothing very fancy. It was fine. The smell was soothing, simple, calming. Wasn't very extravagant, and the fragrance of this one is not something which will give you a headache. So if you're someone who likes mild fragrances, this is the body wash to go for. But if you're like me who likes fragrances in their body washes, so I won't suggest you to go ahead and buy this one, because the smell and everything is good but not so good. And I love my body washes too full of fragrances. I love fragrance in my body wash. So yes, you can decide for yourself. The item which I finished using is this one. This is the Assure Moisture Rich Shampoo. I have made a detailed review on this particular shampoo. You can go and check it. So it is enriched with green tea extract for dry and damaged hair. Now this was a very mild shampoo for my hair. It did not strip off my oil or anything. So if you have extremely dry hair, then you can give this shampoo a try. So on the days when I don't apply hair oil, I used to wash my hair with this particular shampoo, and on those days this particular product used to work in a very good way. But if I had so much of oil on my head and then I used to use this one, then it did not take out all the oil out of my scalp. So if you're looking for a very mild shampoo, you can give this one a try, and I will recommend this one because this did work for me. It was very soothing on my hair and my hair did not feel dry at all. And in monsoons, this particular shampoo will benefit you. So this was the next product. Now guys, I am rushing through because I have many products right over here and I don't want to make this video very long. Now the next thing which I finished using is this one. This is the Roop Mantra uh, Neem body wash. Yes, this is the one, and I did not purchase it. I got it in my PR, and this is 225 ml. This is 100% paraben free, and this retail for rupees 100. And I loved this one, guys. This is not something which is very florally. It smells like, yes, it smells like neem. And why I like this, because when it is summer, like super hot, and you want to wash your body with antibacterial, so then you should give this one a try. This is cheap, super cheap, Indian brand, highly recommend. And this is the thing, this is a body wash which I loved using during these summers. Loved it. Now moving to the next product, that is the Himalaya Refreshing Cleansing Milk. And oh my god, I love this one. Now cleansing milk, when I used to use the Ayur cleansing milk, it used to be very heavy on my face. But when I started using Himalaya, It wasn't heavy. It is very very lightweight and it just takes out all of your makeup. Only thing you need to remember that do not use it like near your eyes. It will sting your eyes, so please make sure that not to use this near your eyes. You can use it on your face. It is going to clean all of your makeup. And I already have a backup and I will repurchase it again and again. So that is that. Now, if I talk about this one, if I repurchase it, no, I won't repurchase because I have so many other shampoos. I want to finish them first and then I'm going to repurchase this. I want to finish them, then I'm going to repurchase it for sure. Okay, now moving ahead, I have this face wash. This is Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is how it looks like, and I used it completely. I used to I used to despise the smell. The fragrance is so high on this one, but it does have glycolic acid, so it works fine for my skin. But will I repurchase it? No, because it is so high on fragrance. It just smells like the aftershave lotion. So that's why I'm going to give this one a pass. I'm not going to repurchase it. I know I have a lot of face washes right here and face products. So the next thing which I finished up with is this one. This is the Simple Kind Skin Sensitive Facial Foaming Refreshing Facial Wash, face wash basically. And I love this one. Now, out of all the things which I recommend you the most is this one. This is so simple on your skin, as the name suggests. This is so kind and gentle on your skin. If you are a sensitive skin person, give this one a try. It is going to, you won't feel anything on your face first of all, but it keeps your face really clean. But if you want to remove your makeup using this is not going to do that. It is very good if you use it in the morning. It is very good for that, and it has pro vitamin B5 and vitamin E. It is fragrance free. It does not have any animal derivative. It is 100% vegan, and it is also soap free. Will I repurchase it? Yes, I will repurchase it for sure. I have so many other face washes to try out. I'm going to finish them first, then I'm going to repurchase it for sure. Now the last thing which I want to show you is this one. This is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask, and this, I think you have heard me talking about this one. I finished this up completely, like nothing is left inside it. I just want to show you if you can see, like nothing is inside it. It smells so good, like flowers, and see, you can see this is again after simple face wash. I love this one. Love this one. And not only me, everybody in my family, they just love the hair mask, and I am going to repurchase it for sure. I know there are so many things people are telling about Mamaearth, but maybe this product, this is very good. This is actually very good. Okay guys, that was about it. No more products are left. Okay guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video with very good content, and make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and let me know how do you think about this particular video. Yes, that is about it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.